أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. And good afternoon to each and everyone. I am Alcones Jericho and from Vice 2B, and this is my video reaction number 4. So titingnan na natin dito kung ano naman yung makuha nating topic regarding sa video reaction 4 na ito. Papanoorin natin kung anong mga um, kalima ang ating makukuha sa topic nito. Okay, let's start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we're starting with the next hiwar عند الطبيب. Okay, so the hiwar is عند الطبيب. عند الطبيب means at the doctor. Like before, we will be listening to the audio first and then we will try to explain and translate. So here's the audio.
الوحدة الأولى الدرس السابع. استمع إلى الحوار. الحوار عند الطبيب. الضغط مرتفع والسكر.
Okay, ang video na to is about the hiwar. Okay, hiwar naman siya. So it means the topic na ito is hiwar sa inda tabib siya. It means at the doctor sila ngayon. So maghiwar sila at the doctor. Yun ang topic ng video natin ngayon about sa inda tabib at the doctor. Okay, let us continue.
أيضا ماذا حدث؟ تناولت دواء الضغط ودواء السكري. أعتقد أنك لم تتبع الحمية. هذا صحيح، فقد تناولت كثيرا من السكريات والدهون والنشويات. وأعتقد أنك لم تمارس الرياضة أيضا. حاولت ذلك ولكن لم أستطع، فأنا مشغول دائما. حالتك خطيرة، لا بد من الحمية ولا بد من الرياضة. الدواء وحده لا يكفي. ماذا أفعل يا دكتور؟ اتبع الحمية ومارس الرياضة وتناول الدواء وقابلني بعد شهر. الضغط عادي وكذلك السكري. ما شاء الله. ماذا فعلت؟ اتبعت الحمية ومارست الرياضة وتناولت الدواء. أحسنت. قابلني بعد 6 أشهر إن شاء الله، وجزاك الله خيرا.
Okay, so that's the listening of the text. Now let's see if we can understand what's going on. Okay. Right. So the conversation starts from the doctor, al-tabib, saying, "الضغط مرتفع." الضغط means pressure. You know, like here the pressure means ضغط الدم. Dam is blood. So basically, the pressure here means the blood pressure. Okay, the blood pressure is مرتفع. مرتفع is high. Okay, it's high. مرتفع. It's from رفع. يرفع. Okay, it means to be high. وسكري أيضا. سكري is diabetics, right? So the diabetics أيضا. أيضا means also, right? How do you spell diabetes? I think diabetes. So the diabetics is also أيضا refers to what? مرتفع. It's also high. ماذا حدث؟ حدث يحدث يحدث means to happen. You know, something to happen. You know, take place. حدث has a lot of meanings. It can also mean, yeah. So just for now, just understand حدث means to happen, right? So the question ماذا حدث means what happened, right? So this is happened So past tense, right? So what happened? The doctor is asking, and al-marid is the ill person, the sick person. He's saying, "Tanawaltu dawa ad-dabt." Okay, tanawal. We've taken this word before. So tanawala yatanawalu means to take, right? Dawa ad-dabt. This is mudaf ilayh, which means that dawa is medicine of the pressure. So basically, it's saying the pressure medicine, right? Wa and dawa as-sukkari, and the diabetics medicine. Okay, so the fatha here is because this is maful bihi for tanawala, right? It's object of the verb tanawala yatanawalu. And then al-tabib is saying أعتقد أنك لم تتبع الحمية. Okay, so أعتقد, it's from the verb اعتقد يعتقد means to believe, you know. So he's saying that his hamza is for I believe annaka. Anna means that. Here's the two words anna and ka is for you. I believe that you. Here's our lam. We studied lam before. Lam tattabi'. Okay. Lam tattabi'. So lam makes, lam takes the next, after lam has to be present tense, right? So what it does is that we talked about that before. It makes that verb into past tense negative, right? So we first have to know what is tattabi' means. It's from ittaba'a yattabi'u means to follow. You follow something. So he's saying lam tattabi', here's ta means you, the second person. So you did not follow. Lam tattabi' means you did not follow. Follow what? Al-himyata. Himya is diet. And we have fatha here because this is right? It's maful bihi, object of ittaba'a, tattabi', right? But we also mentioned that after lam, the verb is majzoom, means it gets sukun. I don't remember if I mentioned that. I think I did. So, but you will see that this one doesn't have a sukun, it has a kasra. Okay, it has a kasra. Why? It's because we have alif lam, that's why. Basically, in Arabic, we are having two sukun one after another. So when that happens, if there's a weak letter, that will be dropped, and if there's no weak letter, so you will just assign some harakat in the previous sukun. So here you just put kasra. Usually it takes kasra. Sometimes something else, but usually it takes kasra. Okay. So lam tattabi' himyata. I believe that you did not take, or so you did not follow the diet. Okay, so he's accusing him that he did not follow the diet. So al-marid, he's saying, هذا صحيح. Sahih is true. This is true. فقد تناولت كثيرا من السكريات. فقد, you have two harf here, fa and qad. Fa here, fa means a lot of things based on context. Okay, so we'll look into fa a little bit later. So qad comes in a verbal sentence, and depends on what kind of verb it is, it will have different function. So if it is past tense, which is the case here, then it makes the verb as like you have done something, right? So instead of, for example, tanawaltu, it means I took, something. تناولت, I took. So here with the قد, you will say I have taken. You understand? So it has, this is one of the functions. Another function is that it makes the verb, it emphasizes the verb. Okay? So taken what? كثيرا, a lot. من السكريات. So here again, mean we cannot translate from the sugary food, right? From sugars. It's better to translate as of. And again here, tanawal, to remember, I also mentioned that tanawal has many different meanings. Here, saying it, take, probably doesn't make sense. You probably will translate as eat, to eat. So I have eaten lots of sugary food, sugary, you know, sugars, doesn't matter how you translate. But duhun is fat. Nashawiyat, which is carbohydrate. Okay? So basically just giving all the nutrition facts that we have. So he's saying هذا صحيح, this is true. فقد تناولت كثيرا من السكريات والدهون والنشويات. This is true. I have eaten or taken a lot of sugar, fat, and carbs. And then الطبيب, he said وأعتقد أنك لم تمارس الرياضة أيضا. So he is again saying that I believe that you, we have the same form. Tumaris, I think we studied this word before. Marasa yumarisu. Marasa yumarisu means to practice, okay, or to exercise. Doesn't, it depends how you say it. So you did not practice a riyada. Riyada is sports. So you didn't practice or you didn't exercise sports. Aidan, you also didn't practice sports. Okay. So then the al-Murid saying حاولت ذلك. I think we also had this word. حاول يحاول is to try, right? Try. حاول يحاول. I really think we had this word before. I just don't want to write the same word multiple times. You should be following through and building your own vocabulary list, right? So I tried. ذلك is that. I tried that. ولكن there's a small alif here, so you can say ولكن. There's a hidden mud. ولكن, but لم أستطيع. استطاع, we know what is استطاع means, to be able to. So he's saying I was not able to. I wasn't able. So he's saying that I tried that, but I wasn't able to. فأنا, again, fa here is coming in a sense of because, just like here. This fa is said, I'll come back later. Here, this fa also means kind of like because he's saying حاولت ذلك, I tried that, ولكن لم أستطيع, but I cannot do so, or I'm not able to. فأنا مشغول دائما, because I am, مشغول is busy, دائما is always. So he's saying because I'm always busy. So here, instead of fa, you could have said لأنني, okay? مشغول دائما. الطبيب. So the doctor is saying حالتك خطيرة. حالة, it means your situation. Yeah, situation. Your state or situation. His situation would be better because حال is state. I mean, it also means situation, but you have حالة, it's like situation. I suppose both of them has very similar meaning. So حالتك, it's مضاف إليه, so means your situation. خطيرة. خطيرة is dangerous. Dangerous. So why is it tamarbuta? Because of hala, which has tamarbuta, right? So your situation.
Okay, so nakita naman natin ito sa may video na ito is yung pag-transform niya into another word, another kalima, which is for example yung sa may madi ata yun, madi siya, and then transform niya into mudari, then i-translate niya kung ano yun. Dun sa taas may kita natin doon yung paano pag-translate niya ng isang word, kumbaga paano pag pinasa niya isang kalima doon, which is sa isang hiwar doon, then yung isang kalima doon is for example madi siya, then i-translate niya sa i-transform niya into mudari, then i-translate niya kung paano yun nilagyan ng meaning yung isang word na yun, mga paano magets yung isang word na yun, for example sa isang sentence nung yung sa hiwar, no? Paano translate by meaning yung hiwar na yun, no? So, okay, medyo pa, meron pa sa baba. So, let us continue. Kung ano pang mga hiwar or mga meaning na ilalagay nito sa hiwar na to, no? So, okay, let's continue.
Is dangerous. Means alerting. La budda min al-himya. La budda min, this expression means a must. Means must. Something that you have to do. La budda al-himya. Okay, you must. Right? And has a kasra because of min, right? ولا بد من الرياضة, and you must. So here's you must sport. Like basically, la budda here. What is the verb missing? Verb missing is ittaba. Yattabi'u. You must follow. That is the verb that's missing. So it's understood. You must follow the himya. ولا بد من الرياضة means what verb is missing here? Marasa. Yumarisu. You must practice the sports. Okay, because we have this verbs here already and it's understood, and in Arabic language you can drop them. Ad-dawa'u, ad-dawa is the medicine. Al-dawa wahdahu, alone. The medicine alone. La yakfi. La is no. Yakfi is enough. Be enough. To be enough. Okay. So the verb is kafa. Kafa. Kafa yakfi. Yakfi. Okay, to be enough. Kafa yakfi. So just saying that just taking medicine enough by itself alone.
So doon natatapos yung ating video na yun, di ba? Yung Indot Tabib, kumbaga yung title na topic natin ng lecture na yun is Indot Tabib. Yung lecture na yun is syempre nirap naman mag-translate iba into direct, but most of the kalima na kinuha doon is karamihan naman doon is translate into English direct, but may iba naman doon is translate into word by word. Kumbaga, tinignan niya muna kung anong field yung meron doon. For example, meron ng field mudari. So, i-translate niya muna, transfer niya muna into field mudari, no? So, after nun is, i-translate niya into English. Translation English. Yung meaning, kung anong meaning ng word na yun. So, possible na yung dalawang tao na yun hiwar is in the tabib at the doctor. So it means it's either sa opisina ng doctor or sa clinic, sa hospital mismo or sa clinic, sa hospital, sa nagpa-check up yung pasyente na yun. Possible naman, di ba? Nagpa-check up yun. So may mga word doon na very familiar sa atin or iba naman hindi familiar yung word na yun, but alhamdulillah is nakadagdag sa atin ng another knowledge, yung ibang mga kalima doon kung saan pwede natin makuha ng aral na magagamit natin sa ating sarili, kung paano natin gagamitin in a good way, di ba? yung mga word na yung mga kalima doon kung saan is ma-apply natin sa kung tayo ay mag-ensayo or maggagawa ng ating sarili kalima, which is yung mag-practice tayo kung paano gumawa ng kalima or mga magdugtong ng mga kalima into another word, di ba? Sa for example, sa mga field na yan, kung paano natin i-apply into sentence, no? So that's all for today, and once again, I am Jericho Alcones, and this is my video reaction. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.